Good morning, students. So already we have covered this highlighted uh, number of experiments. We have covered these experiment in our last experiment classes. So today we will learn about the interfacing of sensors with MSP43G2 Launchpad. Okay. So you well know about the MSP43G2553. It is a microcontroller. It is a ultra low power microcontroller, and it is highly used in wireless sensor networks and all for the low power applications. Okay. So now let's see these some of the next of the experiments, and in this lecture I will tell you about interfacing of sensors with MSP43G2 Launchpad. So let's come to the point. So uh, here is the MSP. This is the experiment interfacing of the sensors with MSP43G2553 Launchpad. So to interface we can use the infrared mode sensor. The thing is this, that it is a sensor. Okay. So you can use any kind of sensor for that case. Okay. So you can use any kind of sensors, any kind of it may be IR sensor, it may be magnetic sensor, it may be any sensor. So in your aim, it is interfacing of sensors with MSP43G2553 Launchpad. So any type of sensor you can take and any type of sensor you can interface. That is not the thing that only IR sensor is there and that you need to be interfaced with your MSP43G2553. So it may be IR sensor, it may be ambient light sensor, it may be any switch, it may be any type of thing. Okay. So you just need to interface the sensor with the MSP43G2553. So what you will need here, you will need MSP43G2553 Launchpad, one IR module. You can use IR module. I will use the ambient light module, and next there is a Energia installed computer. So here you will connect the USB to the computer, connect the USB to the board, check that port is appearing on the Energia. Port will be available as a COM3, COM4 and so on. Write the code on the text editor and save the code, compile it and upload it. So these all factors will come over there. So that is a picture which you can see here, that there are different type of pins are available on the MSP43G2553. This is a microcontroller of MSP43G2, and this section is the bootloader. You can see that this is a bootloader. These are the jumpers that you may need to be you may need to be maintained for the uploading the code. Okay. So in that case you have a port 1 which has around 6 pins over there, right? Port number 6 pins are over there, and port number 1, 2 pins are available there. So total 8 pins for port 1 is there. Now next port 2.0. Port 2.0 has 3 pins are over there and 3 pins are over there. So 6 pins for port 2.0 are there, and this is used for the interfacing purpose, pulse width modulation, and analog communication and digital communication. Okay. So sometimes it also used for the analog input and the digital input. Okay. So that is a sensor which you may need to, which you may use in your available experiment, and that is a point that you have to provide the VCC to the sensor, ground to the sensor, then you will get the output. This is a digital type sensor, so it will provide you output in digital form, either 0 or 1. Okay. So that you have to write the MP 1.4 for your sensor, for your P1.4 for MSP 430. Here is the code, and here you can see that we are beginning the serial, and now we are reading the value from the sensor, Here we are reading the value from the P1.4. It is also works as the analog pin. So for the analog reading we are using the which 0 to 1023 value, and we will use the 0 to 3 volt. So accordingly, because 3 volt is the maximum, so we are dividing this value with this, and we will get the sensor value, and this value will be multiplied with this, and we get the exact voltage what is available at the port. Okay. In the same code you can check the values for the floating point also. In the same code you can print this value on the serial port using this port. Okay. So in the results you will find the on-com port terminal value is at 10 when any object is detected, and value is 0 when no any value is detected over there. Okay. So results and any discussion is I would like to tell you that it should be written by the students. Inference and conclusion it also should be written by the students. Learning outcomes are learning the concept of the sensor interfacing, and learning the concept of the sensor data capturing with the MSP4302553. So it is used for the distance measuring application, wireless sensor network, and object detection. So precautions for this project is that handle the kit carefully, because it is electrosensitive. So static electric charge is sensitive. So the proper earthing must be there, and write the instruction properly. Okay. So that is the thing, and these things are used for very much in the real time application. You can make many projects with it. So thank you for this lecture. If you have any concern with this lecture, you can talk to me, and I would like to tell you that to submit the write-ups of your experiment, and when the offline will start, then you have to submit the experiment to me physically. Thank you.